Hello again. Thank you for joining me. My name is Yuji Otsuka from Senior Exam. Today we are challenging very famous and very common chemical reaction. This is the first question for you for today. Have you ever tried to making bread? When we are making bread, first we need a flour powder. Then put some salt, and then if you like, put some sugar. Then actually, we need one more one more chemicals. It's a baking soda. In chemistry, we call this one sodium hydrocarbonate. With this baking soda for making, we need this baking soda for making bread. Why we need this baking soda for bread? When we are baking bread, it's a produce carbon dioxide. It expand the bread and then we can eat it more soft and more tasty. Okay. First, let me show you this picture. This is a very common chemical reaction for baking soda. The thermal decomposition reaction of baking soda. This is a baking soda, sodium hydrocarbonate. Then if we are heating this baking soda, it produces sodium carbonate. Then it produces carbon dioxide. This is a very important gas of expand the bread to be more soft. Okay. Then at the same time, it produces water. This is a very famous chemical reaction. We challenging this one for today. Then, if we doing this chemical reaction, usually we need this kind of apparatus. This is the gas burner for heating, and this is the test tube. They put some baking soda in the tube and the heating. Then maybe it may be producing carbon dioxide. Then this carbon dioxide through this rubber tube and the glass tube. Then this is the water, under the water. Then we are collecting carbon dioxide with the second test tube. This method, we call this method water replacement method. Okay, but it's a very quality experiment, quality apparatus. But sometimes it's very difficult to get this very quality experiment apparatus. So today we are using very local and very common materials. We can get it at homes. Okay. Generally speaking, at the rural area, we can get this quality apparatus, very difficult. But we don't have to give up. We can use very low cost and very daily materials. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the test tube. Please prepare test tube. If you don't have test tube, you can use just a bottle. Sorry, could you wait a little moment? Sorry, this is just a glass bottles. You can use this one instead of the the test tube. Okay. Today we are using this test tube because it's transparent, so you can see the inside of the some chemicals, what is happening inside. Okay, so we use transparent test tube for today. Then please prepare two the plastic straw. Okay. Then first, sorry, just before making making tube, please put the baking soda into the test tube. Half of the spoon is enough. Okay, inside. A little more. Okay. Okay. Then we have one more test tube. This one here's the water, so this one put into the water. Okay, and the keeping into the in the water. Okay. Then I put it in test tube here. Then please one take a straw. This type of straw is better. This is the flexible part. Flexible part. Yeah. It's easy to bend. This type is better. Okay. Then please take one straw. Then cut along the straw a little. Okay. Then push it to make a straw, small, to make a small. Then push this straw into the another straw, like this. Then joint like this. Then here is a sellotape. Then covered with this sellotape along the straw. Okay. This is a plastic straw instead of the rubber tube and the glass tube. Okay. Then this is the stopper. Then please make a small hole on the one piece of the stopper. This is stopper from this one. This is the slipper made of sponge materials, okay, from here. Then if you have this kind of cooking, this is a cooking tool. Then I remove the metal part. Then if you have a file, then sharpen this file to make it sharp. Then push this materials, push these tools just on the slipper. Then remove the this part. This is the stopper plug. Okay. Then we need a we have to make a small hole. And this is very easy to make a hole. Let's light a candle. Then heating over the, sorry, this is a nail, a little bigger one. Then over the candle, we are heating. Okay, then push it into the stopper. Then push it. Then you can make this very small hole. Very easy. Okay. Okay. Then next, push this the plastic straw into this small hole, like this. Okay. Then push this stopper into the test tube. Okay, like this. Then bend a little, put into the, let's see. Okay, then put this straw into the second test tube. Okay, the flow of the water. Sorry, once more. Okay, the flow of the water. Then light the candle. Today I'm doing it alone. If you have a friend, so please cooperate each other. Then cover the glove with my hand, with my finger cover. Okay. Then start heating. Okay. Then this time, please test tube incline with this angle. Okay. This side is a little higher than this side because this chemical reaction produces water, carbon dioxide and water. Then if water coming go back to the heating place, the possibility to be being cracked, so a little dangerous. So not going back, not water going back to the hot place. So incline this angle, then start heating. Okay, so can you see the bubble is coming? So water level is going back. Okay, so before that, inside of the test tube in advance, there's some air. So we have to push the air outside. So before collecting the carbon dioxide, first we have to remove the air to the outside. So we have to wait before collecting the carbon dioxide. Okay, you can see the bubble. Okay, so many bubbles are coming out now. Then wait a little moment. Wait a little moment. Okay, so difficult to do this one, just a moment. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Just a moment. Okay. Then heating again. Sorry. Okay. So in the second test tube, water level is going down. So it means carbon dioxide coming up. Then push the water to the downside. Okay. Okay. Now, then here the another stopper. So in the water, we push the second stopper into the second test tube. Okay, so we are now collecting the carbon dioxide. Maybe the transparency we cannot see. So we have to check this is whether this is a carbon dioxide or not. How do you check that this is the whether this is a carbon dioxide or not? So here's a smaller candle. Here's a smaller candle. Then carbon dioxide is heavier than air. Heavier than air. So if I remove the stopper, then pour the gas over the candle, what happens? Can you see the? Can you see the candle? Okay, I try. Okay, you see? So candle is extinct, and we can extinguish the flame of the candle. Okay, so it means this is the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay? If this gas is a oxygen, it's a burning. Or if this is a hydrogen, it's a explode. It's very dangerous. But this, unfortunately, this is a carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is extinguished the candle. Okay, and so this is a very important chemical reaction in the thermal decomposition of the baking soda. Then one more thing. After heating, can you see? After heating, this is the white one. This is the soda carbonate, white powder. Okay, this is the soda carbonate, and you can see the small water around here, small water. So this baking soda produces carbon dioxide and water. Around here, some water just put on the stick on the inside of the test tube. Can you see? Okay. So if we don't have very quality apparatus, we can use this kind of local materials, daily materials. Then we can do the very important experiment. So please try again at your homes. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.